Hey, welcome back to my channel. So if you are using Katori wax and you're looking for options because it's not working out for you, then this is going to work out for you for sure. So I recently did a video on facial hair removal and with Katori wax, and that video is doing pretty well. So I thought, since I have changed my facial hair removal method, I might as well make a new video on it. And that being said, the latest amazing thing that I stumbled across is Brazilian wax. Guys, Brazilian wax is amazing. I mean, if you like Katori wax, you will love Brazilian wax. Part about Brazilian wax to me is how it deals with ingrowth hair. So you know how you have like the tiniest bit of hair which never goes, no matter what you use. Katori wax को कितना use कर लो या फिर hair growth has just started and is not in, remove it, and you are a social being, you have to go out, you cannot go with like tiny specks of hair on your chin. So that way Brazilian wax is amazing. It also includes my method of removing hair, like, which is a little different than how normal people do it. So just check out my video, and if you don't get it in this video, I have previously done a video of using Katori wax wherein I in-depth mention my technique of removing hair. And it sounds funny, but this is something I have been doing and it works perfectly for me. I think you should definitely try it. It's like the best method to remove every bit of hair from your face. So Tory wax cost me around 70 bucks, right? And this one is actually for 140. So मैं कटोरी wax use करती थी, तो I would just like casually put my hand underneath my chin and it would be rough, like, I don't want to say it, but like a guy's chin, and I was not a fan of that. About Brazilian wax is that Katori wax से जो भी रह जाता था, Brazilian wax kind of takes care of that. One thing that I majorly hated about facial hair, like hair on my chin, is that I could not casually put my hand underneath my chin. In my case, I dread my husband, God forbid, put his hand underneath my chin to like casually do something, because I don't want him to feel like he's talking to another man, right? That happens with me and I feel so sad about it. So ever since I started using Brazilian wax, it helps me, and now I'm not scared that my husband might casually just do this to me. So I'm glad about that. That's all guys, let's dive right into the video. कुछ भी confusion हो, कुछ नहीं समझ में आया है, please comment down below and I will get back to you. यही मैं और कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. This is all I do.
Permanent wax का बर्तन. I juggle in between my in-laws and my place. So I don't have a wax heater. Instead, I have this permanent wax का बर्तन. So you can also do this or buy a wax heater. Heat your wax on low heat and never ever on high heat, and never ever leave it unattended, because if you do that, it will catch fire. Believe me, it has happened with me. I will wait for it to cool down a little. जब ये वापस थोड़ा थिक हो जाएगा, मतलब ये ठीक ठाक ठंडा हो चुका है. Okay, now to my special technique of waxing. So what I do is, आप नॉर्मली जैसे वैक्स लगाते हैं अपने हेयर ग्रोथ के डायरेक्शन में, उसकी बजाय मैं ऑपोजिट लगाती हूँ. मतलब जैसे यहाँ मेरी हेयर ग्रोथ नीचे की तरफ है, तो मैं नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ वैक्स लगाऊंगी. बस ये याद रखो कि हर चीज उल्टी करनी है. तो वैक्स भी उल्टा लगाऊंगी, रब वैक्स लगाने के बाद वैक्स को रब भी उल्टा करूंगी, और जो वो वापस से खींचूंगी वो भी उल्टे एंड से ही खींचूंगी. बस एक चीज याद रखो कि हर चीज उल्टी करनी. थिंक विद ब्राजीलियन वैक्सेस के बहुत ही जल्दी ठंडा हो जाता है, तो आप एक बार में खूब सारा जगह जगह छोटे छोटे पैचेस कई जगह लगा लो. तो ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे से doesn't hurt as much. It doesn't hurt.
Okay, so this is what the wax looks like before being melted. It comes like in this brick form. Some people sell it loose, otherwise it comes in like a big pack of 10 bricks, and the entire pack costs you around 1000 bucks or something. Okay, so lastly, one humble request, you guys. If you like my YouTube videos, I suppose If you do, then I'm sure you will love my Instagram. I go by the name just Chandini, and I'm a professional makeup artist, so you could also follow my makeup page, which is Makeup by Chandini. So please do that. Keep showing your love, guys. Love you all.
Please be careful while using this wax. Don't use it like too hot. Blow on it and all of that. Think that you can use this wax anywhere on your face. I also use it to do my upper lip and sometimes my forehead if you are into Katori wax still, you can check out my video. I am linking it up here. It's about how I use Katori wax, how I previously used Katori wax.